Hi, this is lesson number 2. We're going to be drawing some guidelines and lots of boxes with Mr. Lawrence. Here's what we're going to produce. It's really essential that before we go into more complicated drawings, you can do guidelines and firm in some lines. Drawing boxes is a great place to start. Sheet of paper. Let's start off with a margin. Remember, one line at a time. Bang, bang, bang. You'll get straighter with more practice, right? Let's call this boxes, sheet number 2, and don't forget your name. Okay, in primary school you probably started drawing boxes like this, but we're not going to do it like that. I'm going to show you a different way. We're going to use our skills of drawing light lines. Remember, lean the pen over, light line, draw another one at roughly 90 degrees and come out here. Now if it doesn't look like a box, then give yourself some more guidelines until that one looks about right. When you're done, bring your pen more upright and firm in the lines one at a time. We can just ignore the guidelines. Notice how I draw the guidelines longer than I need them. One guideline, always cross them over at the corners here, and that one looks pretty good. So I'll bring the pen up, press a bit harder and firm it in. Let's try and draw a small one. Firm it in. As you get more confident, you'll probably be okay with drawing some bigger squares. There's one, there's one. That's a bit better. Let's firm that one in. When you've completely covered your page with boxes, you might need to start actually overlapping, which is fine. Or you could also practice drawing some guidelines inside some of your squares and firming those in. Maybe try squares inside squares. You could practice drawing diagonal lines through your boxes. You could practice offsetting, which means copying a line inside a line or the outside. Anything you do is all practice. When an ad comes on the television, you should have a piece of paper and you should be drawing lines. Lots of squares beside each other. All the way until you've filled up your page. Boom. Thanks for watching, Mr. Lawrence.